Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by launching Viber immediately. Make sure the app is updated so notification settings match current screens. Updates often change menu layout. Once Viber opens, tap More 3 horizontal lines or More tab to reveal settings. If you see a permissions prompt for notifications, accept it now so system toggles appear. Make sure your device is unlocked and online, because Viber shows some options only when it can reach its servers and sync your account. Next, navigate to Settings and choose Notifications. This is where you control what Viber alerts you about. Tap each category, chats, calls, groups, and turn their toggles on or off. For each category, tap into Sound and Vibration to pick a ringtone or disable vibration so it suits you. Also enable Message Preview if you want content shown on the lock screen. Once done, these choices tell Viber which local alerts to deliver and how they should appear and behave. Finally, verify your phone's system notification permission for Viber. Open your device settings, find apps, select Viber, and ensure notifications are allowed. Then test by sending a message from another phone. Watch for sound, banner, and lock screen preview. If nothing appears, force close Viber, reboot your device, and recheck toggles. As a key troubleshooting tip, toggling the system notification permission off and on often resets stalled alert delivery because it forces the OS to reinitialize Viber's notification channel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.